So every once in a while I will put out one of these videos, and I call them rehearsal logs. And it's not like I do them frequently enough to like actually make a log of rehearsals and how shows are going, but it's something that I have done. There's not a lot of interest, and the reason I do them is more for me. It's kind of a way that I can look back, get a feel of how things are going in a show or a production, you know, just kind of like not a progress report per se, but just my feelings about how things are going and where we are at that stage. So our show opens 2 weeks from tomorrow, which means we have 1 week of rehearsals and then 1 week of tech, which in some circles is called Hell Week because they're usually late nights, you know, a lot of technical things getting worked out to make sure that your show is all ready to go. And you know, I've never been worried for a production, you know, because actors have a certain sense of pride, and as much as work as it might seem that your show needs, there's just this inner drive within the community theater community that makes it so no matter how long or how far it looks like you have to go to have like a fluid and full show, it just ends up working out. Now this isn't to say you should just coast and, you know, just let what's gonna happen. I believe in hard work. I believe in putting your soul and your everything that you have into a production, and this is no different. And now this is the first time I've done a show with this director. I only knew one person in this cast going in, but I've had an absolute blast with this group of people. I made some really good friends, and you know, we've had like 5 birthdays in this cast, and we've only been rehearsing for like a month, and it's a strange thing to happen, but we've also had a couple get married, and like it's just this ensemble show where everyone's on stage a lot and everyone has a big part, and these are the best kinds of shows, right, where people can really have a strong bond, and that kind of thing plays out on stage. Now, I don't know if you've seen a movie or maybe you've seen a play where the relationships of the characters in the show or the play or the movie or the TV show, whatever it might be, where they seem kind of shallow. And sometimes that can be the actors not getting along. Sometimes there can be some tension between the director, or maybe there's some tension with even the higher-ups, like for the producers or the executives that run the show, that just trickle down all the way to the actors, and that comes out on the screen, it comes out on the stage. And I feel so fortunate to be in such a tight-knit group here in the Sacramento region, where the actors in this region, they have a lot of respect for each other. I believe that, at least for me, I know that I have a lot of admiration for the actors that I work with, and this is no exception. It's a tough thing to do, to put so much of your time, so much of your energy, and really so much of your and I hate to make this sound cheesy, but so much of your soul into a project, and then, you know, and then just leave it. When the show run is over, you're done, and it will never, that show will never happen the same way again, because all those people, those same people, will never come together again to do that same project. So it's something that's really special to me. I know this is kind of generic in terms of a rehearsal log, but I just, you know, this is the kind of the place that I'm in right now in my acting career, this stage of my progress as an actor and as a performer. So anyway, I appreciate you guys listening to me. I know this is one of those videos, it's not going to get a lot of attention, but this is just something that that means a lot to me, and I appreciate those of you who chime in on this topic and who watch these videos anyway. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Guys, if you're out there riding, be safe. If you're out there performing, break a leg. And if you're not riding, get riding. I'm that one guy, and I am out.